Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we have a 2020 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. It's a 23-foot dual console from Boston Whaler. This boat has the light gray hull side, stainless rub rail, and silver graphics. Very striking combination. You'll see forward does have the optional anchor windlass, freshwater washdown up front as well. Hard top with light gray gel coat underneath. We do have a water sports tow point from the hard top as well, so you can enjoy some tubing with the family. So we will step aboard and take a look. Powered by a 300 horse Mercury V8 Verado outboard, smooth, quiet, refined power. Great performing boat. Do have the Garlic pull-out boarding ladder, a couple of rod holders on the transom, battery charger. So we will step aboard and take a look. You'll see for 23 feet, very wide open cockpit, port side seating for the passengers, double wide, does fold down for a complete lounger. Starboard side, we have a sink, countertop, and removable Yeti cooler, rod holders on the T-top, or hard top rather. Very comfortable stern seating, but in true whaler fashion, integrated right into the boat. So if you need a little more cockpit space to fish or simply walk around, it folds right up for your wide open cockpit. Large lazarette hatch, easy access to all your systems. This particular boat is outfitted with electronics, so we have a 9-inch Raymarine Axiom Pro, Fusion stereo, JL audio speakers, full digital controls on this boat, and power steering. Port side, very spacious head with sink, very easy to access. And moving forward, very comfortable bow seating. And this boat does have a tremendous amount of storage under the starboard side console. Removable cockpit and bow tables. So if you'd like more information on this boat or any others, feel free to give us a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So come on down and see us. Get on the water today. Thanks for joining.